So let us solve question number 3. Let us solve question number 3. A quadrilateral, its two diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect perpendicularly each other. Then we need to prove that quadrilateral must be a rhombus. Let A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. AC and BD diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly at point O. To prove ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Prove. Here you can see from this triangle, from this side, there are two triangles. You can see there are two triangles. So these triangles AOB and BOC or COB. From triangle AOB and triangle COB. From these two triangles we have AO equal OC or CO. Why this is equal? Because these are the part of AC diagonals, and these diagonals are bisecting each other. They are bisecting, equally dividing into two parts, both. These two are equal, these two are equal. And this B to O is a common side. BO equal BO. This is a common side. Then AOB COB. AOB equal COB. This is each angle 90 degree. Because they are bisecting perpendicularly. So this is each angle is 90 degree. Therefore we can say triangle AOB congruent triangle COB. If the two triangles are congruent, then AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. This is CPCT. Now you can see AB equal to BC. Similarly, if we take these two, Similarly, from triangle BOC and triangle DOC, we will get BC equal to CD, BC equal to CD, and this is from triangle AOD and triangle COD, AD equal to DC, and from triangle AOB and triangle AOD or DOA, what we can get here? AB equal to AD. That is what we get. All the sides are equal. If all the sides of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is a parallelogram. Since AB equal, BC equal, CD equal, AD. You can see AB equal to BC. Now again BC equal to CD. CD equal to AD. AD equal to AB. That means what? All the sides are equal, we found. If a quadrilateral contains all the sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. So ABCD is a rhombus.